Hey guys, what's up? It's Ashley, and today I am going to be taking you through a little bit of my day because today is Perry and I's 3-year anniversary. We've been a couple for 3 years, so we're doing that thing. And I'm just gonna show you guys my look for the day and what I'm wearing, and maybe I'll include some stuff in there, and I'll show you what I got him and he got me. We went a little low-key because, this is our first year in an apartment, so the struggle's there. Perry got me these little cards that I can basically redeem. And one of the cards is actually to do anything in a video with him. So are we gonna have another where I cut his hair video? I don't know. We'll see how I feel. You guys should leave me ideas on what we should. how are we gonna torture the poor boy? I made him little things. I'll insert a picture because I didn't take a video when I gave it to him this morning. But I handed this little 3-year card and got him some shampoo, conditioner, some candies, some lottery tickets, and I'll insert the picture for you guys. But I'm gonna put my makeup on and show you guys what I'm wearing for the day. This is today's look for our adventures. We were trying to color coordinate.